Starting August 14, Claude Code stops asking your permission before it acts. Not because Anthropic decided permission prompts were annoying, because in their own test, the humans clicking approve caught 14% of the dangerous commands planted in front of them. The classifier now doing that job caught 89%. Here's why this matters to you specifically, even if you never touch a settings menu. If you're on Pro, Max, or Team, your very next new Claude Code session defaults to auto mode automatically. No opt-in required. If you'd already picked a different default yourself, you get one prompt asking if you want to switch. After that, every tool call your agent makes gets routed through a classifier before it runs, not through you. The test behind this was blunt. Anthropic ran 1,053 paid professional testers through sessions with deliberately planted dangerous commands, the kind a careless approval click would let straight through. Human reviewers caught 136 of them. Auto mode's classifier caught 937. What the classifier actually checks for is narrower than everything, and that's worth knowing before you assume it's babysitting you. It's built to block anything irreversible, destructive, or aimed outside your own environment, not to slow down ordinary work. There's a hard deny rule specifically for exfiltration. Sending your code or your secrets somewhere external cannot be approved from inside auto mode, period. Not by Claude, and not by a clever prompt talking it into an exception. When it blocks something, Claude usually finds a safer path on its own or asks you directly. If it hits 3 blocks in a row, or 20 across one session, it drops back to manual approval entirely rather than getting stuck. If you want to know the day a change like this actually ships, instead of finding out a week later in someone else's recap, subscribing is what puts it in your feed on the day it matters. Worth being honest about the trade-off here, because it's real. Anthropic's own numbers say people were already approving 97% of permission prompts and rejecting 3. Most of us were rubber stamping, not reviewing. The classifier isn't replacing careful human judgment. It's replacing the illusion that clicking approve every single time already was careful human judgment. So here's what to actually do before this lands on you. Open Claude Code, check your current permission mode, and decide on purpose instead of by default. If auto mode sounds right for how you work, that's now what you get automatically. No action needed. If it doesn't, switch it back before your next session starts. Because after August 14, that choice gets made for you the moment you're not looking. Try 11 Labs, the AI voice in this video. This video contains affiliate links.